If you want to check your stress level with Redmi Watch 6, what you can do is you can open the apps list, and then over here we should be able to find the stress app. So let's open it, and then of course we should be able to find the start button. So just tap over here on the start button. Of course, make sure that you wear your watch, and just keep your wrist still or your hand still, and just wait for the results. Usually takes like a minute or so in order to perform the test. And then you should be able to get the results. So you should be able to see if you are stressed, like fully stressed, or maybe just mildly, or if you are calm. So let's wait for the result just to show you how it looks like exactly. I'm not entirely wearing the watch right now. I'm just slightly pressing it to my wrist over here. But of course, ideally, you want to actually wear the watch on your wrist, right next to the wrist bone. Maybe not entirely right next to it, but like 2 centimeters away from the wrist bone. This is the proper position. There we go. So as you can see here, we have the result. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.